It's yummy time. So welcome back, guys. Sharika Lewinson of Danzy Kitchen is here to chef up a simple Jamaican Valentine's Day dinner with us. And this should be fun and interesting. Welcome, Sharika. How are you?
Thank you for having me.
You are so welcome. You're so welcome.
Here today.
Thank you for coming, Chef Danzy.
Yes.
So, tell us a little bit about, the history of Danzy Kitchen, because the meals are looking lovely, so scrumptious, and I'm sure we're excited to taste them. So, the history behind Danzy Kitchen.
So Chef Danzy, otherwise called Danzy Kitchen, we opened in 2017 after I left my 9-to-5, and a friend of mine, she started saying, Danzy, I think you're so good at what you do. You need to start cooking rather than giving away your meals on a Sunday. And after probably a week or so, I took up the mantra and I started dialing in from phones to phones and stuff like that. And that was when Danzy Kitchen was birthed.
That's amazing.
Awesome stuff.
I think that's incredible. And you were doing media at first. We were talking off air a while ago. You went to NCU.
Yes.
You studied media.
Yes.
And then you branched out now into being a chef, right?
Yes.
And now you also have your own line of products as well. So how did that come about?
As a chef now, it's like art for me, creating, and I love to create, bring out so much of my passion and who Danzy is and my character. So each time I create a dish, I want to taste something different, and that's how Danzy Spicy Dip came up. 2 years ago, we had it planned out how and when to start the line, and we decided to start it. And it's going great.
It's going great. I mean, I know. How can we use it in some of the dishes that you offer?
So listen, I'm going to give you a little snip. You can have the Danzy Spicy Dip in your car traveling. So for example, you buy a little box food on the road.
Yeah, like a chicken, a little nugget.
You can just pour a little bit over your Danzy, over your chicken. Any meat that you use, you can use your Danzy Spicy Dip.
Flavor it up.
If you're baking, you can also use this. You can, person telling me that they use the Danzy Spicy Dip on bread.
Nice.
And use it with chips.
All-purpose seasoning, Danzy
all-purpose seasoning, which we launched 2 weeks ago.
Wow.
And we're super grateful for that low MSG and stuff like that.
That's
if you use it for seasoning your meat, you don't really need any other seasoning to complete it.
I have to applaud you on launching a product, because that's exactly where you find sustainability in business, you know what I mean? So I love the fact that you did this. Now, you brought some dishes as well. I'm sure they're seasoned with the Danzy line of products, right? So these are products that you are recommending. They are low budget for Valentine's Day.
Yes.
Let's talk about them. What do we have first?
So first, we have our creamy herb fish fillet.
Okay, the filet,
Filet, yes, with our buttery linguine.
Nice.
So this is quite simple. All you need is your heavy cream, just some fish. Quite simple. Serve it for your spouse. Nothing too much.
Yeah. Is there a correct way to season fish?
Not necessarily.
Okay.
You don't want to add too much to the fish to take away its taste. So like for this, you don't want to add a lot of season, so you can't taste the cream, creamy flavor.
With the pasta. Okay. All right. What do we have there?
You have the red wine braised beef.
Ooh.
Oh, that looks yummy.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's tasty. In terms of time now, like the length of time to prepare these dishes, what's the time frame that we're looking at?
So Danzy is quite flexible. So we're looking at about 25 minutes.
25 minutes for your braised beef?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
You sure? And it's going to be nice and soft and succulent same way, and, not too chewy? Okay. All right. I trust you, Chef Danzy.
And that's what, sauteed veg?
So this is a special right here.
All right.
And this is a special from the Danzy brand itself, our Danzy Spicy Dip sauce. And it's a special because you know that Valentine's Day is coming up soon.
Yeah.
And we pair it well with some herb mashed potatoes.
Nice.
What better way to have it with your Danzy Spicy Dip sauce?
Okay.
Is that chicken?
It's a chicken breast.
Okay, all right. In terms of how you prepare these meals, because you kind of touched on the pasta,
Yes.
well, somewhat with the fish, but in terms of preparation, no, walk us through, how we'd prepare like each of these dishes.
So, for example, your beef here, you'd use like your herbs, like some oregano, some rosemary, a little bit of butter, and your pan stir it on the stove top if you don't have any oven.
Yeah.
And then after which, if you do have oven, you can also use it in your oven as well, and then you can create your sauce and add your sauce. Infuse anything that you want. You can even use a red striped beer to create your steak or your beef. So you don't have to go out the way to buy a wine or stuff like that.
Anything you have.
Anything you have, you can create. Our Danzi spicy dip breast here, it is coated in flour. And to give it a little rich texture, we add a simple bit of cornstarch.
Okay.
After which we coat it and we give to get this lovely color, we give it 2 minutes in the oven. And we have our herb mashed potatoes sprinkled with a little bit of paprika right here, a little herbs, oregano, parsley, and stuff like that.
Yeah, and I just can, pair it with a wine of my choice or something. Yeah.
And you have the Verdi right here.
Is that cost effective?
Very cost effective. Just roughly around $1,000.
Okay.
Yeah. If I needed, well, no, go ahead. Sorry. So sorry to cut you off. Go ahead. You were saying?
I said not better way to pair it.
Okay.
Yes.
Got you. If we were to, call you up for Valentine's Day, because if somebody's watching and they're like, this food look good, but me not cook it. So can I call Chef Danzi to come and, cater to my Valentine's Day dinner?
Chef Danzi is always ready to cater to everybody who want every and anybody we cater to. That's what we do as a brand itself. We're not elite.
Yeah.
We give low budget food and turn it into something great. That's what we are all about.
Nice.
So you can always find us on social media, Danzi Kitchen, Chef Danzi, and you can also find us on TikTok. My number is 541-9974, and we also have a channel that's coming out, and it's Chef Danzi Outside in the Wild. You can also find us there on YouTube.
Nice.
Low budget meal as well.
Okay.
And also, if you're looking for somewhere to go in Clarendon, Summerfield,
Something coming soon.
Coming soon, I Can Chill. I am a resident chef at I Can Chill. That's Farm Boy Estate. You can follow that. So we have an eco-friendly system.
That's so
where
lovely.
we hike in the hills and stuff like that. You can always
I want to come
go
check it
there.
out.
That's so nice. Where can we find these products though, Chef Danzi? I mean, you keep telling us about your spicy dip. You're telling us about your all-purpose seasons. So,
So
where
for
can
now,
we find
you
them?
can find us on click the link in Chef Danzi bio or our Danzi merchandise bio. We're not yet in store, but we are coming soon.
All right. Thank you so
There
much,
it is right there on the
Sharika.
screen. Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us on Weekend Smile. The food looks good, it smells good, and I'm sure they'll be calling you for Valentine's Day. Sharika Lewinson of Danzi Kitchen, guys. We'll soon come back. Don't go anywhere.
It looks so nice.